One unexpected car repair wiped out my entire savings account. That's when I learned what an emergency fund actually is. 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. Not for vacations or sales, only true emergencies. Keeps debt away when life happens. Full 3-month fund feels impossible at first. $1,000 covers most real emergencies. Get there before anything else. High-yield savings account, not your checking. Separate bank makes it harder to touch. Should earn 4 to 5% interest right now. Sell one thing you don't use this week. Cut one subscription for 60 days. Any windfall, tax refund, bonus, goes here first. Set up auto transfer on payday. Even $25 per week equals $1,300 in a year. What you never see, you never spend. Track your emergency fund progress with our free savings tracker printable. Link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.